The Shark IQ robot has a main brush roll, a brush roll door, and side brushes that need to be cleaned occasionally. Turn the power off before performing any maintenance. Frequently check the side brushes of your robot for tangles or deformation. When the side brushes are visibly worn out, you should replace them. To remove side brushes, pull them off the robot by the bristles. To install new brushes, press them down over the pegs on the bottom of the robot until they click into place. The main brush roll is self-cleaning, but may still require periodic maintenance. Remove the brush roll access door by pressing on the two tabs. Then lift the brush roll out for easy cleaning. Remove the cap on the end of the brush roll and clear away any debris. Use a pair of scissors to remove any debris caught on the brush roll. Replace the cap before inserting the brush roll. Reinsert the brush roll until you hear it latch on the side and it is able to rotate freely. Reinstall the brush roll door, pressing it in until it clicks into place. The brush roll door also has a bristle strip that aids in debris pickup. For additional information, visit the Help section of your app or sharkclean.com.